today in this video I have home gadgets. There are now gadgets that will turn anyone's home into the home of the future that looks like it's straight out of a Hollywood movie. But more importantly, these gadgets don't just look cool, they're actually super useful in your day-to-day life. Number 10. Zera. The average American family produces around 18 pounds of trash every single day. That's over 3.2 tons of trash every year. Most of this trash ends up in landfills, harming our planet. What if there was a way for you to turn your trash into something useful with a Zera? You can. At its core, Zera is a trash can. But it can do so much more than just collect trash. You can throw all of your food waste into Zera, and it'll automatically process that and turn it into compost. This compost can be used to grow more food. You can even use it yourself in your garden. But if you decide to just throw it away, it won't create a mess or harm the planet in the slightest. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Number 9. Cell garden. There really isn't anything better than fresh food grown straight in your garden. Not only is gardening an enjoyable experience, but the food that you grow yourself is often healthier than what you buy in stores as well. However, not everyone has space for their own garden. That's why this one company came up with the Cell Garden. This is a small little garden that you can place around anywhere in your house. The Cell Garden is like a drawer for all your gardening needs. It has 3 different levels where you can soak and germinate seeds, give the seeds some life, and finally grow them at the very top. It's all done in a temperature and moisture controlled environment where you can be as hands-on as you want to be. You can also get Cell Garden pods, which contain non-GMO seeds that can perfectly be grown in the Cell Garden. Number 8. Kohler Connect. Where in your home do you feel the most peace? It's probably your shower. There really is nothing better than taking a long, warm shower while singing, thinking, or simply relaxing. But what if your showers could be even better? What if they could be smart? With the Kohler Connect, that might just be possible. The Kohler Connect consists of the entire set of bathroom appliances that you can access straight from your smartphone. This includes a smart shower with electric access to heating pressure and every little thing you can imagine. Additionally, you can also have a smart bathtub, toilet, bathroom mirror, sink, and so much more. All of this requires just one smartphone app. With this app, you'll be able to connect all aspects of your bathroom. Each individual jet can be adjusted with a simple tap on your screen. Number 7. Couch Coaster. Not all smart home gadgets really need to be high-tech. Sometimes even the simplest gadgets can help us out a lot in our lives. Couches are some of the most comfortable parts of our house. You probably spend a lot of the time on your couch just watching TV and relaxing. But there's one annoying thing about couches: they don't have any place to put a drink. Well, you don't have to worry about that ever again, because the Couch Coaster will put a drink holder on any of your couches, sofas, or any other seat. All you have to do is wrap the Couch Coaster on the armrest of any of your seats, and it'll stick to the armrest in a secure way. You never have to worry about spilling another drink again. Number 6. Eyevac Home, Touchless Stationary Vacuum. When cleaning your house, do you normally just sweep everything under the rug? Dust pans, and all of the other things that actually carry this dirt can be a bit annoying to use, and they always leave something behind. On top of that, not everyone has the time to just vacuum their house or even set up to just vacuum their house or even set up. That's why the Eyevac Touchless Stationary Vacuum is the perfect gadget for anyone who wants a cleaner home. This vacuum stays in one spot of your house, and all you have to do is sweep the dirt in front of it and it'll automatically suck it in. No more having to sweep dirt under the rug or make a massive mess outside your house. The Eyevac will take care of every little speck. Number 5. Ring Flying Cam. It's almost impossible to set up the perfect home security camera simply because there will always be blind spots. Ring has been a market leader in home security cameras for over a decade, and their newest camera might just be their best yet. This is a silent drone that literally flies all around your house looking for intrusions or threats. If you're away from your house, you can remotely control it and make it go wherever you want, and it'll always return to its platform whenever you don't want to use it. For daily use, you can customize a path for it to fly around every day. But remember, the control is always in your hands. It's going to make your home a lot safer and a lot more high-tech. Number 4. Nuki Smart Lock 30. In 2022 you're enabled to control pretty much everything with your phone, but doors have always been a hands-on thing. For the most part. However, that might not be the case now. The Nuki Smart Lock is an electric lock that you can install on any door you want to. This smart lock can automatically unlock any door whenever you come near it by simply detecting your smartphone or smartwatch. But if you need an added layer of security, you can also make it so it only unlocks if you tap a button on your smartphone app. Overall, this can be incredibly useful and convenient for almost every person. Nuki also keeps track of how many people have entered and exited a single door, and you can remotely unlock it whenever there are guests over. Number 3. Roca Smart Shower. There are a lot of smart shower gadgets out there, but none of them might be as simple yet unique as the Roca Smart Shower. This is a smart device that you connect to your shower wall. The device itself has a massive touch screen that lets you take control over all aspects of your shower, including temperature, pressure and jet control with a simple tap. If you want to take it one step further, you can even download its complimentary smartphone app and control it through that. In fact, you can even have your shower ready to go from your room without even having to enter the bathroom itself. Number 2. Halo Falls. Creating the perfect atmosphere and environments in your home is a lot easier said than done. But thankfully, there are a lot of gadgets that can help you achieve it. But none of them do it as good as the Halo Falls. This gadget incorporates elements from all kinds of different gadgets to create an all-in-one masterpiece for any mood. The most noticeable thing about it is its waterfall, which not only looks cool, but also calms you down. There is also a mood lamp inside this thing that creates just the perfect lighting conditions for all occasions. To top it all off, it has Bluetooth speakers that can be connected from up to 30 feet away. Number 1. Eboard Table. If you have one table where you study, work or do practically anything on top of that, you have to worry about placing the table right next to a power outlet, a luxury that a lot of us don't have. But the Eboard Table fixes all of those problems. The entire surface area of this table can act as a wireless charger. But where does it get its energy from? Light. This doesn't have to be sunlight. This table can even be powered by any normal light that surrounded the room. It creates clean energy and charges your devices. What's not to love? Alright, which of these gadgets would you love to have in your own home? Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the top 10 countdown, and we'll see you in the next one.